Up on the trailer, new project. Ready to put a 5.3 in this thing. Little cam, some heads. That's what I'm gonna be working on for next week. Keep you guys posted. Let's get her done. Alright, got it off the trailer. Do a quick walk around. Broken headlight. Raw body itself is straight as a motherfucker.
Damn, redid the bullshit.
Yeah, that shit nice, boy. Hell yeah. Ready to make this fucker talk some shit. Man said he's got a set of 28s. He wants to be able to spin them. Just a little peek. This is the interior of the car. This shit is so nice. Man said he did it himself. He did a really good fucking job. Alright, so trying to get this thing cleaned up. We're gonna take it up to the car wash and pressure wash the engine bay so we can get it ready to paint. Try to get everything cleaned up, tucked away, out of the way, and ready for a swap. Yeah, you getting there nice and deep like, boy. Alright, we'll show you when it's clean. Alright, well, while Blake's over here scrubbing old Grimy. Looking good. Looking good, looking good. Missed spot. I'll go ahead and get this thing tore down so we can put the heads on it and get the cam in it. Try to go over and install with you about that. Alright. Right this second, working on getting the heads off. He's got a set of 706 heads, custom grind cam. We're going to be putting in it. But we're going to be going ahead and putting this cam in here, and the heads, and get at it. On a side note, I want this guy to know that we're doing this for, that he hasn't been gone but 30 minutes, and we're already working on it. So your shit's gonna get done. It's gonna get done right. You'll be happy. Get back to it. Pizza time. What's that? Isn't he cleaned up? Alright, we got the heads off. We're gonna go ahead and clean everything up tonight or whatever, get it ready to put it all back together tomorrow. We gotta pull this front accessories off to put the cam in, do the lifters, push rods, all that good shit. Alright, so me and Blake been having a competition. I'm about done with my side. Oh shit, here we go. He's still fucking with his. But we're getting there. Getting it cleaned up. Got a lot done for the first day. It's only been here for, what, 2 hours, 3 hours altogether? Yeah. And Blake started cleaning up the engine bay a little bit. We got all this shit off the frame and stuff. Got a lot of grease and stuff removed. We're going to go ahead and pressure wash it tomorrow. We were going over some shit and realized that this damn nut is like barely on there. And there's a few other issues welded on shit, but we'll get it all taken care of. Gonna go over everything, double check everything before we put the motor in.
Show them the inside of the car.
Yeah, these are the heads here. Got dual valve springs. I think they're Brown and Tooley. I believe bigger valves. Got a decent sized cam. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the accessories pulled off. And that's pretty much gonna be it for the night. Come back tomorrow and get back to it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe. Have a good night.